Here's how you can save your images so that you can post them on your blog. Right now you should have PSD files from each of the tutorials. Hopefully they're completed and saved in your tutorials folder. But unfortunately you can't post PSD files, Photoshop files, to your blog. They won't appear on the web. They're more of a working file. So we need to save them in a different format so that you can add them to your blog so they can display. There are multiple file formats that do work on the web. The most common ones are JPEGs and PNGs. And to save an image, we're going to go up to File, Export, and Save for Web Legacy. And this brings up a dialog box that shows you the image and the size, and you can see some other settings. You can choose, you don't have to choose JPEG. There's also options for PNGs and GIFs or GIFs, depending on your preferred pronunciation. We're going to go ahead and stick with JPEG High. That'll work well for our blog. And the image sizes should be alright. This is where you could change the size here. If your blog only accommodates images that are 600 pixels across, for instance, you could change that here knowing that that's all that's going to appear anyway. In most cases, they will still appear normally on your blog. They'll be automatically resized, and the bigger the better for being able to view them in slideshows on larger screens. So once you have those settings in place, click Save, and you'll have to choose the destination. Go ahead and find your files, and you might even want to start a new folder specifically for the exported JPEGs. And you'll notice that the file extension now says JPEG. You can click Save. And that will go ahead and save it. We can make sure that has saved correctly by opening it in our browser. Let's go ahead and find that. And sure enough, here's that image. It looks completed. It got kind of an interesting name actually, so you might want to redo that. But you'll do that with all 5 of your images, so you have JPEG versions of each one, and then you'll be able to upload those images to your blog post.